Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Welcome to today's video, where we unlock the power of natural remedies for a healthier and happier life. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of turmeric for joint health and inflammation relief. Turmeric, a golden spice commonly found in curry dishes, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its potent healing properties. This vibrant root contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Turmeric has shown promising results regarding joint health in reducing pain and stiffness associated with arthritis. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate swelling and discomfort, making it a popular natural alternative to conventional pain relievers. But turmeric's benefits extend beyond just joint health. This versatile spice has been linked to improved digestion, boosted immunity, and even enhanced brain function. Its ability to combat inflammation throughout the body makes it a valuable addition to any wellness routine. What makes turmeric even more fascinating is its versatility. Whether used in cooking, as a supplement, or in topical applications, turmeric can be easily incorporated into your daily life to reap its numerous health benefits. In this video, we'll explore the science behind turmeric's healing properties, share practical tips on incorporating it into your routine, and discuss the latest research on its effectiveness. Get ready to unlock the power of turmeric and discover how this humble spice can transform your well-being. Stay tuned for an informative and engaging journey into the world of turmeric. Understanding turmeric. Turmeric, also known as Indian saffron, or golden spice, has a rich history dating back thousands of years. Originating in Southeast Asia, this vibrant root has been a staple in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine for its remarkable healing properties. In traditional medicine, turmeric was revered for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. It was used to treat various ailments, from digestive issues to skin conditions, and was believed to promote overall well-being. One of the key components that give turmeric its powerful healing abilities is curcumin. Curcumin is a bioactive compound found in turmeric that has been extensively studied for its anti-inflammatory effects. It works by inhibiting inflammatory pathways in the body, reducing swelling and pain associated with conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Scientific research has provided compelling evidence to support the health benefits of turmeric. Studies have shown that curcumin can help modulate the immune response, reduce oxidative stress, and even inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Its ability to target multiple pathways involved in inflammation makes it a promising natural remedy for various health issues. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric is also a potent antioxidant, helping to neutralize free radicals and protect cells from damage. This makes it a valuable ally in promoting overall health and longevity. As we delve deeper into turmeric, we'll uncover the fascinating science behind its healing properties and explore how this humble spice can significantly support joint health and relieve inflammation. Stay tuned for more insights on unlocking the power of turmeric for a healthier, happier you. Turmeric and joint health. Turmeric emerges as a powerful ally in supporting joint health and alleviating joint pain. The key lies in its ability to combat inflammation, a common culprit behind joint discomfort and stiffness. By targeting molecules that trigger inflammation, curcumin helps reduce swelling and joint pain, making it a valuable natural remedy for arthritis and rheumatism. Studies have demonstrated the effectiveness of turmeric in improving joint health. Testimonials from individuals who have incorporated turmeric into their daily routine often report reduced joint pain, increased flexibility, and overall better quality of life. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine for joint support can be simple and delicious. Adding a sprinkle of turmeric to your morning smoothie, stirring it into soups and stews, or brewing a soothing turmeric tea are all easy ways to reap its benefits. You can also consider taking turmeric supplements for a more concentrated dose of curcumin. To enhance the absorption of curcumin, it's recommended to consume turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that boosts curcumin's bioavailability. Combining turmeric with healthy fats like coconut or olive oil can enhance absorption. By incorporating turmeric into your daily regimen, you can harness its anti-inflammatory properties to support joint health, reduce pain, and improve overall mobility. Stay tuned for more tips on unlocking turmeric's full potential for a healthier, happier you. Turmeric for inflammation relief. Turmeric's potent anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable ally in reducing inflammation throughout the body, offering relief for a wide range of conditions associated with chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a common underlying factor in many health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and autoimmune disorders. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, has been shown to help manage chronic inflammation by inhibiting inflammatory pathways and reducing the production of inflammatory molecules. Golden milk, a popular beverage made with turmeric, milk, and spices like cinnamon and ginger, is delicious and a soothing way to consume turmeric daily. Turmeric can also be added to curries, stir-fries, and salad dressings to infuse dishes with its vibrant color and health-boosting properties. While turmeric can offer significant relief from inflammation, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before making any substantial changes to your diet or supplement regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. A healthcare provider can provide personalized advice tailored to your needs and help you safely and effectively incorporate turmeric into your wellness routine. Turmeric dosage and precautions. When incorporating turmeric into your wellness routine, understanding the appropriate dosage and potential precautions is essential for maximizing its benefits while ensuring your safety and well-being. For joint health and inflammation relief, recommended daily intake levels of turmeric can vary depending on the form of turmeric used. When consuming turmeric as a spice in cooking, a typical daily dose ranges from 1 to 3 grams, equivalent to about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. However, when using turmeric supplements standardized for curcumin content, dosages typically range from 500 to 2,000 milligrams daily. Following the manufacturer's recommended dosage instructions is essential, or consult a healthcare provider for personalized guidance. While turmeric is generally considered safe for most people when consumed in moderate amounts, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and medication interactions. Some individuals may experience digestive issues like stomach upset or diarrhea when consuming high doses of turmeric. Additionally, turmeric may interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners, so it's crucial to consult a healthcare provider before incorporating turmeric supplements into your regimen, especially if you are taking medications or have underlying health conditions. Moderation is vital when using turmeric as a supplement. It's always recommended to start with a lower dose and gradually increase as needed while monitoring for adverse reactions. Consulting a healthcare provider before starting a new supplement regimen can help ensure that turmeric is safe and appropriate for your health needs. Stay informed, stay healthy, and enjoy the benefits of this remarkable golden spice. Incorporating turmeric into daily life. Turmeric's versatility and health benefits make it a valuable addition to your daily routine. From cooking to beverages to topical applications, there are numerous creative ways to incorporate turmeric for maximum health benefits and overall well-being. Turmeric can add a vibrant color and earthy flavor to various dishes. Sprinkle it into soups, stews, and curries for a warm and aromatic touch. For a comforting and nourishing beverage, try brewing a cup of golden milk by combining turmeric with warm milk, honey, and spices like cinnamon and ginger. Consider combining turmeric with other ingredients to enhance its absorption and effectiveness. Mix turmeric with yogurt and honey to create a DIY turmeric face mask for a brightening and anti-inflammatory treatment. For muscle soreness or joint pain, make a turmeric paste by mixing turmeric with coconut oil and applying it directly to the affected area. Experimentation is vital when incorporating turmeric into your daily routine. Start by adding small amounts of turmeric to your meals and beverages, gradually increasing as you become familiar with its flavor and benefits. By integrating turmeric-based products into your daily life in creative and enjoyable ways, you can harness its healing properties for long-term health support and a happier, healthier you. By experimenting with creative ways to use turmeric and combining it with other ingredients for enhanced absorption, you can maximize its effectiveness and reap the full benefits of this golden spice. We encourage you to take the first step towards better joint health and inflammation relief by integrating turmeric into your daily regimen. Start small, be consistent, and listen to your body as you embark on this journey towards improved well-being. If you found this video informative and inspiring, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more health education content. Like and share this video with others who may benefit from learning about turmeric's incredible potential. Let's continue exploring natural remedies, holistic wellness practices, and empowering knowledge to support our health and vitality. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into turmeric. Here's to a future filled with vibrant health, reduced inflammation, and thriving well-being. Stay curious, stay proactive, and embrace the power of turmeric for a healthier, happier you.